Hello friends, I have brought MCQs on taxation covering broad area of taxes including property tax, capital gains, TTS, GST, surcharge, tax of evasion, agricultural tax, all. So question number one is which of the following is a capital tax? A. GST, B. Capital gains tax, C. Excise duty, D. Custom duty. Answer is B. Capital gains tax. A nation is given as levied on profit earned from the sale of assets like land, property, shares. Selling land at 50 lakh and bought at 30 lakh. So the difference of 20 lakh is taxable. Second, agricultural income in India is A. Fully taxable, B. Partially taxable, C. Fully exempt from tax, D. Taxed under GST. Answer is fully exempt from tax. Agricultural income is exempt under Income Tax Act to protect farmers. A farmer earning 5 lakh from crop sale does not pay income tax. Question number three, which of the following is an example of a tax surcharge? A. Education says, B. Swachh Bharat says, C. Extra tax on high income earners, D. Custom duty on imports. Answer is C. Extra tax on high income earners. A surcharge is an additional tax on income above certain level. For example, if income is rupees greater than rupees 1 crore, surcharge applies. Question number four, which of the following is a cess tax? A. GST, B. Education cess, C. Wealth tax, D. Property tax. Answer is B. Education cess. Cess is a tax levied for a specific purpose. Education cess is levied to fund education programs. Question number five, service tax was subsumed under which tax? A. Corporate tax, B. GST, C. Excise duty, D. Custom duty. Answer is B. GST. GST unified multiple indirect taxes, including service tax. Paying tax on hotel services now comes under GST. Question number six. Property tax is collected by A. Central government, B. State government, C. Municipal corporation, D. RBI. Answer is C. Municipal corporation. Property and house tax is local tax. Paying property tax to Delhi Municipal Corporation is an example. Seventh question is TDS, that is tax deducted at source, means A. Tax collected after income, B. Tax deducted before income is paid, C. Tax paid in advance by government, none of the above. Answer is tax deducted before income is paid. TDS ensures tax collection at the point of income generation. For example,